Marwa, this is for you. Do you know the most popular village in Kenya? Do you know the most famous village in Kenya? Do you know the capital of YouTuber in Kenya? Do you know that Nyabohanse, the village of Marwa, the village of travel commando, that village became the most popular village in Africa, the most popular village in Kenya, the village I shall visit. Nasto, Mayugno, Kenneth, Marwa, the travel commando. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's give a punch in Nyabohanse. Let's give a punch to Marwa. Let's give a punch to Kenya.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fokou Media, guys. You are welcome. You are welcome, and don't forget that I appreciate, I love, I like the fact that you are back to this channel. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do right now. I want to take you to a punch of speech. My punch of speech of today going to Marwa. Marwa, the travel commando. The guy born in Nyabohanse in Kenya. I am Marwa. I am Marwa. Marwa. Nyabohanse. Nyabohanse. Guys, GoPro need to promote this village called Nyabohanse in Kenya. GoPro need to establish the company of distribution of camera in Nyabohanse. Guys, you know, this is a pump. This is a pump. If you are doing refrigeration, you really need this. If you need a vacuum pump like this, new and second hand, we have it on stock. Okay? Contact Fokou Media. Marwa. My name is Alphonse Fokou from South Africa. If you come to South Africa, please let me know. The love I and other African people got for you doesn't have a limit. You inspire a lot of people from your village, Nyabohanse. You have inspired a lot of people, including me, on social media. You actually teach more Africans to go back to their culture of giving. Giving, you give, you receive. You give, you receive. You may not realize that you have been giving a big lesson to those people who thought African doesn't know how to give. You don't give because you have a lot, and you can give to anybody. You can be a bricklayer and you give to the chief who got the whole village. Marwa, you are too much. You are too much. Your happiness starts from the village. Before you build in town, before you build in the continent, before you build in your country, go and build in your village where you come from. You show us that happiness is everywhere. You just have to create it. You have to create your happiness, and you have been doing it. You have been showing us in Nyabohanse. People of Nyabohanse, I salute you guys. I salute you guys. Here is Alphonse Fokou from South Africa. Anyone who visit Nyabohanse become another person. Just the spirit of Nyabohanse change you. Kenneth can say to you that when you put your legs in Nyabohanse, you will change as a YouTuber. If you put your legs in Nyabohanse in Kenya, you'll be another person. You'll be another traveler. Chris List can say that. Coco Girl can tell you that when you put your legs in Nyabohanse, you change. And you change because of the power, because of natural power, because of the gifting power of Marwa. If you put your leg there, you'll be inspired to build your own empire. You'll be inspired to build your own house. You'll be inspired to be a YouTuber. You'll be inspired to give to people. You'll be inspired to put people close to you. Many people today have a plan to go and build their mansion, to go and build their village, to go and develop their village because of Marwa. Marwa have actually changed people's lives. People who didn't know that they can talk in front of the camera. People who didn't know that they have something specially in them that they can share with the world. Today they have discovered themselves because of Marwa. Marwa, thank you guys. Marwa, you are not old, you are still young. but you got a brain of the old man. Marwa, you got a brain of the old man, even though you are still young, guys. But I will tell you something. You have been searching for a woman. Pay attention for this woman next to you right now. Let's hope she's not pretending. Let's hope she's not pretending. But so far, so good. So far, so good. Since she have been in the village, she have been showing that she can be a woman you have been looking for. So pay attention. Don't consider her only as a girlfriend. If I were you, I'll ask her hand. I'll prepare myself to ask her for marriage. She loves to travel. She wants to discover the world. She's just like you. Marwa, this is for you. That woman is for you. Please, pay attention. Look at it nicely again. You realize that that woman is for you. Nyabohanse become the capital of YouTuber. Aye, Nyabohanse. The capital of YouTuber in Kenya is Nyabohanse. The most popular village in Kenya, Nyabohanse. Nyabohanse, people of Nyabohanse, I salute you guys. I salute you. Guys, what are you waiting for? YouTube is a platform to go for. YouTube is free. If you are not part of this family, if you are not part of Fokou Media, this is a time for you to subscribe. Subscribe, like, share. It's free, guys. It's just free. Support your guys. See the way Marwa share love. Marwa know how to share love. And he share love and then he make a chain. He share love for one person, that one person share to another person. It become a chain. You cannot count how many love Marwa have already shared through people from Nyabohanse, through people close to him, through people who call his name every day. If you are not free, if you are not genuine, you cannot put your life like Marwa put his life in social media. If you are not genuine, people will not pay flight ticket from America, from Europe, from Asia to come and visit you, Marwa. You are blessed. If you do well, people will talk. If you do wrong, people will talk. But when people talk about you while you are doing well, the message go very far. Just like now, connect yourself with the world. If you don't inspire people while you got a lot of genius on you, what are you waiting for? If you're not a YouTuber, you can also use YouTube for your private use instead of using as a business. Let's use this platform to share. Let's use this platform to inspire people. Let's use this platform to teach and learn. Because more we learn, we upgrade ourselves. The proof is that we have a lot of people like Marwa who show us that you cannot stop yourself because you don't have an employment. There's a lot of things in you can share with the world. So we use YouTube to share things with the world. This video is just to say to Marwa to continue to do the good job. Marwa, keep doing it. Keep inspire people. Keep touching people with your channel. Through your channel, a lot of people have find blessing. Through your channel, a lot of people have find partner. Through your channel, a lot of people have built their house. Through your channel, people discover the value on themselves. Through your channel, Nyabohanse become a tourist village in Kenya. If you go to Kenya today and then you don't visit the most popular village, the capital of YouTuber, the village of YouTuber, Nyabohanse, if you don't visit that village, you haven't been in Kenya. You know, Marwa, believe me, the president of Kenya shall work with you. The minister of tourism shall work with you. Believe me, this is coming. Because what you are doing, people are seeing it. And then I believe the president of Kenya is also seeing it. Good job, guys. Good job. Big punch of speech to the travel commando.